Ayurvedic treatment for dysmenorrhea, severe chronic period pain. Are you suffering from a very chronic period pain and it's so terrible, you have to take like highest level of painkillers and you still feel something is going on there, there's no relief completely, or sometimes you just tolerate it each cycle by resting and not going for work and taking leave, etc. So today's topic, dear friends, I am going to actually share with you a real secrets which is proven as per Ayushakti's 35 years of experience on how to get rid of chronic period pain in a step-by-step manner using diet, lifestyle and different tools that I will be sharing with you. So stay with me. I am Dr. Smita Naram, co-founder of Ayushakti, and we have helped more than 1.5 million people across the world using these wisdoms for last 35 years. I am practicing a lineage which is headed by Vaidya Jivaka for 2500 years, and today whatever I am sharing is coming from my teacher, my master, who lived up to 124 years. So when there is period pain, what are the main reasons? The main reasons are sometimes just a simple hormonal imbalance or excessive vata or pitta according to Ayurveda. There is a chapter of Yoni Vyapad in Charak Samhita written 3500 years ago, talks about period pains and their reasons, which are very similar to what reasons modern science has described today. So excessive vata particularly is the main cause of period pain, and excessive pitta produces excessive bleeding and also inflammation. And when there is inflammation, the period blood wants to come out, but there is a block because of the inflammation, and that causes a pain. It's like a pressure, the period wants to come out, but it's not coming out, and you feel this pressure inside. So these are different feelings during the dysmenorrhea or period pain. The second reason, which is connected with clinical findings like endometriosis, fibroids, and in some cases of PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, the period pain is extremely severe, and especially endometriosis pain is so severe that you cannot tolerate it. You feel as if you are going to die or you are delivering a baby. It is screaming and rolling on the floor and taking extreme heavy painkiller, sometimes even injections to get an instant relief. And this is like a story every cycle. So before I actually talk about what to do, let me share with you a real case study. Ayushakti has clinics in many parts of the world, in Europe, America, Australia, New Zealand. This one is actually from one of our doctor, Dr. Lidiana Bellettini. She is a gynecologist in Europe, and she treats endometriosis using only Ayushakti's wisdoms. You have seen that Dr. Lidiana actually helped this case reduce the endometriosis just using only Ayurvedic therapy. In fact, we have published research papers on PCOS, on fibroids, and also on endometriosis treated just using natural methods in American-based medical journal as well. So these are the 6 tools you can use. First one is the diet. In the diet, it is important if you have extreme period pain, it can be because of anything. Endometriosis, fibroid, etc. is inflammatory blockage related situation. So if that is the cause, completely stop gluten, dairy, red meat and deep fried food from your diet. And trust me, these things takes very long time to heal. So please, at least stop this for 6 months to 1 year completely so that your inflammation goes down. Along with that, if none of this is there and still there is a severe period pain, it is important that just 1 week before the periods, you stop taking everything which is vata increasing. So salads, too much salads produce gas, and excessive gas can increase the period pain. So avoid at least 1 week to 10 days before the menstrual cycle everything which is tomatoes, sour, fermented, because they increase pitta and inflammation. So sour, fermented, alcohol, vinegar and tamarind, tomato, all these stop completely 1 week to 10 days before the periods. Then you should stop salad and heavy beans. Just take always mung bean, green mung bean, or mung dal, lentils, those things, rather than rajma and chickpea. Those things are extreme gas forming, and if you eat them, then at least spice it up with lot of ginger and garlic, asafoetida, hing, so that it doesn't produce gas. So this is the basic. And during the period also, just take khichdi and vegetables. Take lots of cooked vegetables before 1 week of periods and during the period. Cooked vegetables, not raw. This will definitely improve and reduce the pains. Now, home remedies. This home remedy which I am going to share is looking very, very simple. But I want to share a very powerful story related with it. You know, I used to do a TV show for more than 15 years on a very popular channel. I used to come in 162 countries for almost more than 15 years. One day when I was working in Ayushakti Mumbai clinic, a couple came from London with a baby who was like 1 year of age. And she immediately came and said, "This is your baby." And I am thinking, my baby? I have not even met her. When did I deliver? It was very funny. Then she clarified, actually, you gave this home remedy and a detox program. I followed it. I was suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome for 12 years. I tried so many methods to get conceived, to have a baby. Nothing was working. Finally, I was only left with such a huge weight gain. I was like, from 60, I became like 90 kilos. And you gave this home remedy for PCOS and to lose weight, which I am going to share with you right now, and lose inflammation. So I thought, at least if I lose weight, it is good enough. So I did the home remedy and I followed the 6 months program that you gave me. And within 3 months, I started getting period, which was stopped for 1 year. And after that, slowly the periods came, and one day again period was delayed. So I thought maybe again there is a hormonal imbalance. In these 6 months, I lost almost 20 kgs. But then my gynec said that I am pregnant. I couldn't believe it. I tested it 3 times actually, and this baby came. So that's why I'm saying this is your baby. So this is what is possible, that when you work on naturally removing the blocks, naturally balancing the hormones, you can actually also get a baby if you are having difficulties. Now I will share with you this plan, which you can do it in your life. The home remedy contains 1 teaspoon each of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain seed powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida, and half a teaspoon of rock salt. Now, if you can add 1 teaspoon of ashoka bark powder. This is a herb. You can get the powder anywhere. So ashoka bark powder. Mix everything together in half a glass of water and drink this whole mixture 2 to 3 times a day. Slowly you will see that your menstrual pain is reducing and your hormones are getting balanced. Now, because of the hormone imbalance, besides the extreme menstrual pain, if you are bloated, you have gained weight, you can follow this program. Do the 10 days of fasting, in which you should do first day only ginger, cumin, coriander and fennel water. So you can take 5 glasses of water, add 5 teaspoons each of cumin, coriander, fennel and 1 teaspoon of ginger. Boil it and keep drinking this water throughout the day. If you can't stay on this type of water, skip this one and then jump to the next plan for 3 days. Just take green mung bean and vegetable soup, a little bit thinner, little bit liquidy. You can spice it up with anything, it's okay, but don't put tomato and lemon and tamarind. You can put only kokum. The black kokum is okay. That's fine. It doesn't actually increase inflammation. After 3 days are over, make this mung and vegetable soup a bit thicker. So we've got now 6 days, and then after these 3 days are over, you can take a little bit solid like moong chillas and mixed vegetable soup, or moong patties and mixed vegetable soup, moong pancakes and mixed vegetable soup. This is what you can take for next 3 days. So this plan, anytime you are hungry, you take only this soup, nothing else. You can have black tea, black coffee, but no roti, chapati, milk, etc. This you do it for 10 days, once in 3 months. And then other times, take lots of vegetables, 60% of cooked vegetables, protein food like beans and chickpea or mung bean, lentils, all kinds of tofu, everything which is proteinous, just take it with lot of cooked vegetables and very little carbohydrate in the form of millets or whole grains, but avoid completely if possible wheat. So this will slowly, this 3 months program, you will lose some weight and inflammation, mainly the inflammation. Then repeat it again for 3 months and keep repeating it again. And you will see that slowly and steadily you are improving. Your weight is losing. You are trying to lose weight with lot of exercise, everything, nothing is working. With this you will lose weight because the water retention will be gone, the inflammation will be gone. At Ayushakti, I have seen, as per our published research papers, that you need to support this whole program. If there is a painful menstruation because of some serious health issues like endometriosis, PCOS or fibroids or something like this, you need to take guidance of Ayushakti's experts. And as per our research, which we have published in international research papers, very highly prestigious research papers in America, we have found that you have to give also certain kind of a clinic-based detox under the guidance of Ayushakti doctors. You can be anywhere in the world. They will give you the detox either home-based or to come to the clinic, but under their guidance, followed by a program which will build up your hormone system, which will build up help your pituitary, because pituitary, there is a gland in the brain and ovaries are very connected. So all of this has to function very well so that your hormones are always balanced. And in that case, we give Sri Sanjeevani formula, 2 tablets twice a day for ovarian function support, and we also give Meta Boost for pituitary and ovarian function support, 2 tablets twice a day. These 2 formula with the diet, home remedy and detox under the guidance of the doctors, I have seen a very good 70% people get a definite result. My dear friends, if there is something really chronic, please remember that you have to do it for a long period of time. Don't expect a miracle. Keep doing it for 3 months, 6 months. I would think even 9 months, because you have suffered from so many years. At least give that much of time. So dear friends, my purpose of life is really to improve your quality of life. If you like this video, share it with somebody who can benefit. Subscribe our channel so that you will never miss any videos that I will make next time. And if you have anything that you think I should bring out, please write in the comment and I will talk about those topics with you in the next time. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.